Okay, so I don't know what week it is. I've got all this set up now. 7-inch stainless steel workbench. The problem is the garage door will not be here for a month. I'm super upset about it. I'm gonna go ahead and probably next week go ahead and take all this back down, because to put the new garage door in, all this has got to come back down, but it all placed where I want it. And then this week I got my LED lights in here, and the reason I chose these LED style lights is that these lights actually piggyback off of each other. You can plug 4 of these LED lights in together into one outlet, and it'll use the same amount of power as one of the fluorescent lights that I had. So yeah, that really is a big benefit, and the lighting in here is just absolutely incredible compared to what I had. And next week I'm going to start on this closet here, and I'm going to put all my racks in for my oil, and this is going to be the oil / storage kind of closet. So but this is what's going to be inside of for the drop ceiling. I know you can't really picture it, but I bought a bunch of this mesh, and I'm not sure how it's going to look, but these are 2x2 squares for a drop ceiling. So yeah, a little bit at a time. This garage door is really putting me up for a number. And I went back to Menards, and the guy that sold me the 23 cans of this gap filler shit became a subscriber, so that was cool. All the guys at Menards got a good laugh out of me when they seen I was purchasing all that. So yep, try to be back out here next week.